Let's turn your microwave into a summer kitchen powerhouse. This chilled vegetable salad with century eggs is about to become your go-to when the temperature rises. First, we are roasting everything the smart way. Toss a tomato, some green chilies, eggplants, and red bell pepper into the microwave. 8 minutes on high give us perfectly tendered veggies without heating up the kitchen. After they cool, get ready for the satisfying part. Heat those roasted peppers and eggplants into rustic strips with your hands. Peel the tomato, then introduce 2 rich, creamy century eggs to the party. Grab your kitchen scissors and snip everything into perfect bite-sized pieces. Now for the magic, combine garlic, chili flakes, and sesame seeds with hot oil. Just microwave it for 90 seconds. Mix in salt, sugar, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and vinegar until the dressing sinks with flavor. Pour that vibrant dressing over our prepared ingredients. Toss it until every piece glistens. A final sprinkle of fresh green onions adds the perfect finish. What you get is a harmony of textures, smoky roasted vegetables, velvety century eggs, and that bright garlicky dressing. Trying it all together. When the summer heat hits, this refreshing bowl is exactly what you crave.